my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. It's that time of year, the Glossier Black Friday sale I always go nuts on, and this year more so than ever. I honestly feel like I didn't get that much, but I spent like $100. So here we are. I'm very excited to show you what I got. I've been waiting to try and use these products until I shared them with you all and unbox them. So I tried a ton of new stuff this year. I feel like their Black Friday sale is a great time to experiment a little bit. I found so many of my daily go-to favorite products on Glossier through this sale for the last like 3 or 4 years. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. I feel like I've made some like pretty big Glossier purchases before, but never have I gotten like 2 pink bags in once. And honestly, looking at this, I feel like I didn't get that much, but either way, I'm very excited for everything. So in this first bag here, I picked up a cleanser. This is the Cleanser Concentrate Clarifying Face Wash. I have their, oh no, I'm ripping it. Oh gosh, I don't even remember what it's called. It comes in kind of like the mattified, smaller plastic bottle, and it's more of like a cream cleanser. I use that occasionally, but I almost feel like it's a lot more drying to my skin than I would like. And I've heard great things about this, and the reviews are wonderful. It's this nice sort of brownish orange cleanser that comes in a little pump bottle. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. It says massage 1 to 2 pumps into wet skin for 60 seconds. This allows ingredients to fully activate on skin. Rinse with water and pat dry. Don't rub. I've been wanting something that's a bit lighter. Like I said, not quite as drying and aggressive on my skin, just to take off my makeup or to just give myself like a nice kind of wake up in the morning. I do use like acne face wash, and I don't like to use a lot of other aggressive products in combination with that, because sometimes it almost makes your skin break out more, and I already have a lot of issues with dry and peeling skin. So I just wanted to try something simple and kind of experiment with how I liked this. In the second bag here, same sort of similar story. I picked up, this is the Priming Moisturizer Balance with the Oil Control Gel Cream. It just says massage into your face for lightweight hydration. Like I mentioned, similar sort of situation with this product here. I use the Milk Makeup Milk Moisturizer, Vegan Milk Moisturizer, every single day. It's super thick. I literally compare it to like sour cream, but I love it. However, it is a relatively heavy moisturizer, so I thought this priming moisturizer would be really nice for maybe something in the morning before I'm putting on my makeup, or if I just want a little light refresh if my skin's feeling extra dry without putting something super heavy and thick onto my skin. This has a fun little pump on the end of this little plastic tube bottle here. I question how well product is going to come out of a bottle like this, and how, I don't know, I guess effective the packaging is in allowing you to use every little bit of product. But I love the packaging of this. I just love how sleek it is. And then this is also 1.7 fluid ounces, which means you can travel with this, which is really cool. I also picked up the cherrybalm.com. I am obsessed with the balm.coms. I have so many of these, and I actually picked this up for my mom as a gift for Christmas. But we'll go ahead and peek at it. I actually have not tried this one myself, just because I tend to stay away from things with a lot of color, especially as of late, because masks are still required in Boulder County indoors, and that essentially means I'm wearing a mask 8+ hours a day while I'm at class and at work. So I haven't been wearing things with a lot of color lately because I don't want it to rub off on the inside of my mask. Regardless, my mom loves these and did see that they had this cherry one. She loves things with a lot more tint and pointed this out to me while I was browsing the website, so I think she'll like this. I also picked up the Wowder. This is the weightless finishing powder here. I got this in the shade G8 to 10. This is actually a plastic container. I thought it was gonna be glass. I don't have like, I have a pressed powder that I've been using for a little bit of time and I don't love it, so I thought I would try this out. I totally thought this packaging was going to be glass like their concealer packaging, but if anything, that just means I will have a harder time breaking it, which is probably a good thing. I like having powders just to touch up if I'm extra oily. I don't wear a ton of product, but I thought this could be nice on top of their like tinted moisturizer that comes in sort of like the paint tube, puffy paint type bottle that I use almost every single day. And then I also picked up the little brush. I bought the powder and brush in a little set together. And oh my goodness, y'all, I was not expecting this to come with its own little adorable mini pouch. I do not remember the name of this brush, but I will put it on the screen if I remember. It has this nice little light purple handle, and then you could totally just fluff this up a little bit more. Not that I need more brushes, but I did realize how much smaller this is in comparison to some of my other brushes, so this will be great to travel with. This box also came with their classic Glossier sticker. They have one of these for every season, so this is the winter 2021 one, as y'all can see on the bottom there. I love the red and the little snowflakes on this guy. And then last but not least, I picked up the Glossier beauty bag. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this little dust bag. I did see that it was coming with a dust bag, but I wasn't like overly excited for it, and now that it's here, I love this. Honestly, this could be the kind of thing that's great to throw like dirty clothes in when you're on vacation, or just to have a nice little kind of sack around to get some good use out of. And it's really high quality, really thick, and has these two little adjustable tassels on the bottom there. If y'all keep up with Glossier, you may have seen that they've recently released a new winter bag that's white and has like snowflakes on it, but I love the pink one here. It has these nice little rubber zipper pulls, a super high quality zipper that goes all the way around there. It has a ton of storage in compartments on the inside with this mesh pouch that snaps into place on the back wall here. I really don't have a good makeup bag that I can use day in and day out. Right now I have about 3 of their plastic bags that I have makeup kind of tossed in and around. I use some smaller ones for certain products and bigger ones for others, and I typically will travel with 1 to 2 of these. I do really like these because they are so easy to clean if something does spill, and they look super cute. They have a little bit of cushion because they are a bubble mailer type bag, but I did really want something just kind of big and versatile and a lot cuter. So that is everything I picked up today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I do have a 10% off code y'all can use down below if you would like, but thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. Peace out. Bye.